I lost $8,379 this week with commodities and futures trading based on COT report. Let's have a look at trades I made last trading week. First of all, risk disclaimer. So I start with COT1 trading account. So the account size is $868,000. Now I have a drawdown of 3.4% and I trade between 1 and 2% risk on this trading account. When I am in drawdown, I reduce usually the risk from 2 to 1% to reduce the emotional pressure. So let's have a look at portfolio I started with in the last trading week. I had only one position in my portfolio. So I had three long contracts in sugar. So, and during the week after I saw the market went in my favor, I built up the position until 14 long contracts. So I'm still in the market. The position is open. This was my watch list I started with in the last trading week. So I had only markets on the buy side, and the last week we had strong dollar, and usually when the dollar is strong, the commodities markets are under pressure, and therefore so I didn't get an opportunities to make other long trades because the mostly markets were under pressure. Let's have a look at my open trade. This is a weekly chart. I'm looking for buy and sell signals on the weekly chart. For that one, I analyze COT data and weekly trend and other data. And in this market, I got buy signal based on COT data analysis. So then the next step, so I switch to daily chart and I wait until the trend change in the direction of COT signal. And as you can see, we were here in a downward daily trend. Then the trend changed from downward trend to upward trend. And I opened my first position with 1% risk. And then after a small correction, when the correction ends, so I built up the position until 2% risk. So I didn't hit my price target. So, and the market lost the dynamics. So this is a difficult situation. So now I have to make a decision what to do with this open position. So how I will manage my position, I will describe in the trading plan. All the trading plans I post for Insider Week members in member area. So in other markets, I didn't do any trades. The reasons are the same. For example, soybeans, the market declined whole the week. So also soybean meal. So also metals like silver and platinum. So there were no entries, no long entries in this market. So, and coffee also, the downward trend continued. So, and crude oil. So in crude oil, I waited for a correction, but as you can see, the market increased whole the week. So, and we didn't get a correction for an entry. I trade COT1 trading strategy on a small account. The name of this account is startup account. The account size is $30,000. I didn't do any trades last week on this trading account because I have to be careful with this trading account. The account size is very small and therefore I have to wait until trades with small risk and high probability for success. And last week didn't get opportunities like this. So COT2 trading strategy, more signals, more profit and more drawdowns. This is more aggressive trading strategy if you compare it with COT1 trading strategy. I started in the last trading week with 2 positions in my portfolio. I was 6 contracts long in copper and I was 5 contracts long in coffee. So, and I made a last trading week of $8,379. This is my account size. So I trade COT2 trading strategy on COT2 trading account. The account size is $431,000 and I trade between 3 and 1% risk per trade. First trade, copper. In this market, I got buy signal based on COT data analysis. So I waited for a correction to open my long position. I did it. So the timing was not bad, but as you can see, I missed my price target and then I decided to close my position nearby of entry price and I made a profit of $390. Coffee. This was a difficult trade because I opened a long position against weekly downward trend and against daily downward trend, and usually this trade works not so often. I was stopped out, and the loss is $8,379 in this market. So if you are not experienced, better to trade in direction of weekly and daily trend. Thank you for your time. Please remember, risk and money management is the key to success in trading. Last trading week, we didn't have so much trading opportunities, but based on my 9.5 years trading experience, I know that very good time is in the front. Usually September, October, November are profitable months. So in trading based on COT data, and therefore I'm very focused. We will see a lot of trading opportunities in the next 3 months, and I will take it. See you next week. Your Max Schulz.